In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to track activity of a sheet on Smartsheet so you can see who made changes, what was updated, and when it happened. Whether you're managing a team project, auditing updates, or just trying to stay organized, the activity log in Smartsheet is a powerful tool you should be using. I'll walk you through everything step by step. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, log into your Smartsheet account and open the sheet that you want to track. Make sure you're inside the specific sheet where you want to review activity. This can be any project sheet, task tracker, or shared workspace sheet where multiple collaborators are making updates. Once you're inside the sheet, go to the top left area of your screen. You'll see a three-dot menu icon. Click on those three dots to open the sheet menu options. This menu contains additional settings and tools related specifically to that sheet. From the drop-down menu, look for the option called Activity Log and click on it. As soon as you select Activity Log, a new panel or window will open, displaying a detailed history of all actions taken within that sheet. Inside the Activity Log, you'll now see a chronological list of changes. This includes edits to cells, row additions or deletions, attachment uploads, comments, and changes made by collaborators. Each entry shows the date, time, user, and specific action performed. Now, to make this more useful, you can filter the activity. At the top of the Activity Log panel, you'll see filter options. The first filter you can use is Date Range. Click on Date Range and select the time period you want to review. You can choose options like Today, Last 7 days, Last 30 days, or set a custom date range if you're investigating activity during a specific time frame. Next, you can filter by action. Click on the Action filter to narrow down the type of changes you want to see. For example, you can filter to view only cell edits, row changes, sharing updates, attachments, or comments. This is especially helpful if you're trying to audit a specific type of modification instead of scrolling through everything. You can also filter by collaborators. Click on the Collaborators filter to select a specific team member. This allows you to see only the actions performed by that person. If you're managing a team and need to track individual contributions or troubleshoot an issue, this filter makes it incredibly easy. As you apply these filters, the activity log will instantly update to reflect your selections. You can combine filters, such as selecting a specific collaborator within a custom date range to get very precise results. If needed, you can also export the activity log for reporting or documentation purposes, depending on your account permissions. This is useful for compliance tracking, management reporting, or maintaining audit records. And that's it. That's how you track activity of a sheet on Smartsheet. Just open your sheet, click the three dots, select Activity Log, and then use the Date Range, Action, and Collaborator filters to find exactly what you're looking for. If this video helped you understand how to monitor changes and stay on top of your team's updates, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Smartsheet guides in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.